Hello and welcome. Today we're going to go and navigate through the johndonne.com website and find the seminars needed. So first step is logging into johndonne.com. Then you go to Education, click on the link, and go to Seminars. Once you are in the Seminars portion, you will be scrolling down. They give you different options, but we are looking for restoration seminars. The three that are required are the Water Restoration Tech, Fire and Smoke Restoration, Contents Pack Out. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. Once you click on that first link, you should be able to be redirected into what the course consists of. So you get to see the pictures of previous seminars. Once you go ahead and click on Go to Class Schedule, this would be more in depth of price, the location, the date, and the instructor. So we will look for Illinois, which the next seminar would have been August 11, 2020. And then the price is $3.99. You would scroll up and get more details. So for instance, here they go ahead, they tell you that it's based on that standard. And if you scroll down, it tells you what you qualify for once you pass the exam. And if you do want to take the exam, it is available during the seminar for an additional charge. You should be able to pay it during the seminar. It gives you the time that it starts and ends, and then it does tell you that lunch is provided. You can go ahead and read through this website. Then if you go up, go back to seminars, and you would go down again to restoration seminars. You have Fire and Contents Pack Out. They have the same kind of look on the website. So the pictures would always be on the left, and you would always have a Go to Class Schedule section. They give you the dates, location, instructor, and price. You scroll up and you get more detailed information in regards to the seminar. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you and congratulations.